Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you on how to add your own music to your Instagram story. We can use any application here as long as we can add our own background music. So for me, I can recommend you to use CapCut because it's very easy to use Now to start a project, you just have to click on this add icon and then choose a specific video that you want to add a music to. Okay, for example, this one. Okay, now click on add. And then now you just have to click on add audio under the video that you have just added, that one. And then click on sounds. Okay. Now you just have to click on this file icon here and then click on from device. So this musics here are from in our library, so we can add one, for example this. Now our video has its own music, so right after trimming your video, then adding the music, you can save that. Okay, let's just cut this to make this shorter. Okay, now after doing so, you just have to click on this to save, then wait for a few seconds to save your video. After saving your video, you can now go back to your Instagram app and then click on your story, this one, and then click on the video that you have just saved from your gallery. And then as you can see here, this video has its own background music. Right after that, you can now click on the your stories to add that video to your story. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.